guys, today we're going to be making magnetic slime. Here is one which I tried to make with this slime, but that my mom said that it won't work with that slime because in that other video she said that it was more slippery.
Okay, first
So
show before mixing that, show this.
But before
Put magnet under this plate and show how it dances.
Before we start with that, I'm showing you this. Now, as you can see,
What powder is this?
This is nail powder.
Mm.
Now, guys, as you can see, when it comes like this, the magnet attracts the powder, and now can you see? It's attracted to the powder. Now let's start with the slime. Come on. There. First, let's start with the picture these slime, but I don't want to touch it and make my hands gooey, so I'm gonna bring something. Just wait, guys.
We have this iron powder here by we had some old rusted
I'm back here.
nails. We got the powder out of it. Yep.
Yeah,
Okay.
definitely. Look slow. Watch this. It may look like this is not actually really gooey, but see, it is. It's stretching so high up. See? It's not even getting out.
Okay, bring it on the plate.
Get out!
No. Not like that. Lift that bowl and bring it near. No.
Okay.
You're making it a mess, Muda. You can just put the powder into that bowl and mix it.
Oh yeah, right. Okay, guess. Now how should I cut it? How should I cut this thing? Okay, got it. Okay, this is thin. This is thin. Good. Yes. Finally. Okay, let's keep this spoon aside and keep it over here. Oh, okay. Lol. And now let's make something to scoop it. Like this. I spilled it.
Yeah.
Oh, it caught on.
That's okay. Just you can use your hand. See, even if you have some slime, it will get stuck to that and your hand will become clean.
Okay. For now, it's just like. We're almost done, guys.